Did you know that 90% of the exterior homes we inspect have some type of water damage? Whether it's from failing paint or caulk, allowing moisture to get into your home that allows wood to rot and your stucco to crack. We have streamlined the process to protect every exterior home from moisture. Our customers love us and leave us 5-star reviews because we stand behind our work 100% of the time. We have the best team and use the best products to protect your most valuable asset, your home. Don't wait. Call us or message us today for your free quote.